guys, so it's it's late. So it's late today. Make sure to subscribe and like this channel. So please subscribe. And I thought I would challenge. I'm gonna play MM2. Then if I die three times, I'm gonna reveal my parents, my dad and my mom. That's only. I said parents, not grandparents. I'm not gonna reveal grandparents because yeah, you know, they're old and I'm shy to show them. My sister's watching there's this Miss Rachel. Hello, Miss Rachel. If you see this, please shout out. Oh my God. So my sister's very happy for you. Look at this. She's looking at me. She thinks I'm talking to a ghost. So she's my grandma's holding her. So okay, we're playing. Oh wait, the game's starting. What about me? Try. Oh wait, the game's empty. Okay, mapalit data. Ay, wait. Gawin lang ito kwarta. Wait, ito na. Wait lang. Kanira itong di mahal. Mahal na po, uy. Hoy, AM to. Pagamayan ni babe. Di ba? Ay, mga nang ito sa kwarta. Natay, ay, wala di ka na. Spinning wheel na rin. Ano yung spinning wheel sa uban? Wait, saan ka pa niya? Alam mo ka, nakasaka naman di ko. Kumuambak yung di ko dali. Hindi naman di ko mas kailangan. Oh my God! I'm starting! Oh my God, I'm so nervous. I'm not gonna kill because I don't want to act suspicious though. I won't kill. I don't want to kill though. I don't want to kill. I'm nervous. I'm nervous, bro. I'm pretty nervous because should I kill? I don't feel to kill. Like, if I die right now. Oh my God. I hate you. Okay, I hate this freaking shit. I'm so nervous. I hate freaking MM2 so much. But I love to play it. I hate you. Hey. So, but good shot though. Good shot, girl. A good shot. Hey. Oh, I love him too. Yes! But I hate you. Oh my, a murder again? What the freak? Oh my God, I'm so lucky today. I'm just not gonna kill. Like, I'm just gonna hide because I don't want to be dead. I'm not gonna kill, bro, but I'm gonna collect cones. I wanna private server, like, yeah. With my friends, yeah. With my friend. Okay, I'm just gonna get killed, guys. I'm sorry.
Thank you for
You're thinking I'm not gonna kill. I'm just so sorry.
Okay.
Okay, if you want me to kill, please hit the subscribe. I'm gonna count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Are you done? I think you're done. I believe in you guys. So let's act innocent. I don't want to kill it with the feet. I'm not ready. Oh my god, my heart is beating.
Pero yang motor, yang kuan naman.
Oh my god, my friend joined me. Oh, it's okay. I bet she's, I bet. My god, my friend is annoying. Oh my god. It's time's up. I didn't kill that. We both win? Wait, what? Oh yeah. Oh wait, you're the... What the... Oh, hi, Ezekiel. Let's check. Wait. I need to call him.
BLW may tawag ano?
Oh my god, I need to call Ezekiel, guys. Like, so I can show you him. Yeah. So I need to call him. Here he is. Okay, I'm calling him right here. Here's my can you see him, guys? Like, Ezekiel, nag-record ko dire.
Oh,
Nag-record ko, nag-vlog ko ba? Show your face. Nag-record man nata ako magdulag Roblox ba kay mag-vlog ko sa akong YouTube channel. Dali, mag-join ta. Mag-join ta sa Ghost. Kaya matulog na ako manghod. Mag-join ta. Mag-join ta. So guys, ay, wait. Ay guys, nana ako ang friend guys. He is Ezekiel Luke. I-join na napakasadulaaw. Sige, ragod ko magka-merd. Unya ka na. Unsa? English. Kaya basig dili ka understand ang uban pag English na hello guys.
hello guys. Someone suspicious here guys.
Shut up. Kinsay suspicious?
What did you say? Ano yung babae nga? Kon.
Wait.
Kan siya ba?
Si Sharky.
I am gonna get back to work. I ain't going back to work.
Uy, na-murd ka.
I have no murderer by. Kasi a murderer
Ng
ended.
mga merdo.
I'm hiding in the cabinet.
I'm going to the secret place.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Uy, itich. Uy, if you die, go to, hey, if you die, go to the lobby. I'm gonna show you the MM2 secret.
Ano man, secret?
If you die, go to the lobby. Okay?
What secret?
I'm just gonna show you the secret.
The secret ina.
Lagi pa tanong sa tikaw niyan. Easy girl. Dali. Follow me.
Right?
Dara ko. Follow me. Go here.
Ay, kabalo naman ka.
Go here. Then suksok ka diri dire.
Dere.
Go.
I can't even go in. What is this?
Oh my god.
What is this?
Oh my god. I wish I can glitch though. But I don't have the emote to glitch.
Bro, this is a murderer. Intro. Bye-bye.
Nana ko yung Robux no, di ba?
TikTok.
Nana ko yung Robux
Find me in
no.
3 seconds.
Hoy, nana ko yung Robux no. Di ba? Sana on
I'm
me.
innocent.
Innocent ko. Ay, innocent ba natawag dyan?
Oh God,
Say,
why?
catch me. I'm in the elevator.
Yo.
I'm in the broken elevator. Oh my god.
I'm gonna
Where
hide
are you? Asa di
because
ka,
cabinets
Ezekiel?
are very
Asa ka, Ezekiel?
secret.
Asa ka, Ezekiel?
Also
Asa
videos.
ka? Where are you? Mag-hide ka sa same spot. Mag-hide ka sa same spot. Asa ka? Where are you?
Shit, murderer, no.
Asa ka?
Yeah.
I'm in the last floor. Bro, this guy is following me. He's like sus, bro. He's probably the killer. Uy, he's following me. Oh my gosh, I heard a killing sound. Oh my god, the killer. The killer is here. Oh my god, the killer is in the bottom, the first floor.
Manubay.
Sa ano ba? Sa pinaka-last na floor.
Yeah. Pinakataas.
Kadungog ka sa killing.
Yo, nice poster.
I'm nervous. Maybe I
Ano
get
lang
caught
kukuhan, guys?
and I dead, guys. Nag-challenge ba ako sa akong mga fans na kanang kung maday gali ko 3 times, i-reveal na ko akong parents. Oh my gosh. Durang, naggulit. Oh my god, I just died. Hala, ni matay ko. Isa na lang jud ka patay kay mag-reveal na ko sa akong parents. Pumaday gali ko 3 times. Oh my god, my fellow noob. Noob dire. Namatay ka? Hala, nara ko. Dali, tanawa. My fellow noob. Mwah. Mwah. Uy, magtinta. Uy, tinta ba? Uy, tinta. Ano, wala man ni ulo si auntie. You're no head, bro. Tutanti ka.
Bye, guys.
Uy, matuta saan? Diri ka, Ezekiel, oh. Pangita ako, Ezekiel.
Ha?
Pangita ako, Ezekiel. You can't find me. Oh my God. Kita na ka sa ako. Ang murderer ang na-victory. Ay. Dede, natumba. Natumba mong pinilo. Natumba.
Si Jennifer Chavez, taga Cavite. Nagtungo silang Davao City para
Wait lang, natumba mong pinilo. Natumba mong pinilo, guys.
I need 3 seconds.
sa pagkakahulog mula sa building at saksak sa katawan at laslas
Natumba ang pinilo, te.
Nakita ang babaeng biktima sa loob ng silid sa ikatlong palapad. May mga tama rin saksak sa katawan at
Guys. Wait. Pila na galit na nagdula? Ay, ikaduha eh. Ay. Ikaduha. Ay. Guys, it's 3. Okay. It's 2. It's 2 yet. Teasing the sharky. Can't catch me. Oh, where are we though? Uy, asa ka?
Ako sa secret room.
Asa day ka? Ato ko ni mo be? Asa na secret room? Asa na secret room? Ay, nara o naman ni secret room diri sa TV. Sulod diri sa TV. Dili lang sa hide. Chat lang. Hello. Chipi, chapa.
Si Kuya. So, nanlaban po talaga siya. Si Atrin po may
Bo. Ayaw sigliho kay Makat. Galit taron. Ay, sigliho. Oh my God, bro. Gawas na lang to eh. Boring man. Hindi ko mabot. Hindi maas. Bala ko yung matago ra ko.
Secret lock screen.
Isend na ko ni si... Uy, hi na pud uy sa vlog. Hi na pud sa vlog ba?
Murderer.
Hala, murderer. Uy, tago. Oh my God, die. Oh my God, victory.
Victory ang mga innocent.
Hala, my fellow, my fellow noob ang namatay.
Ipauk. Ang kuan.
Ay, good job, my fellow noob.
Good job. Libis.
Ikaw imong gi-kill ang murderer.
Ni Libis. Kabala ka sa kabuhay na dira.
Hoy, find me ba? Ayos sa tanaw. Sige, go.
Ang
Find
gala.
me.
Oh.
Find me.
Nasaan man siya?
Wala na.
Order fish.
I'm infinite, bro. Wait, how do you jump to?
Ay, saan mo? Bye. I just want to go to house thing.
Asa di ka?
Ako always bye.
What hallway?
Bro, saan lahat? Lukli ko.
Oh my God, the murderer! Oh my God, I just found the murderer. Oh my God. Hala! I'm gonna reveal my parents. Oh my God.
Ang murderer.
I'm gonna reveal you my parents, guys.
Pero si Kuan.
Wait, I'm gonna reveal my parents.
Murder.
Guys, wait. I'm gonna reveal my... Okay, I'm gonna... Can you see this, guys? I'm actually recording right now. Oh my God, I dropped my phone. So I'm gonna show you. You know. So this is my dad, guys. Daddy. This is my manhood. This is my mother. Sige guys, maulang ni guys ang video na ako sa MM2. Please subscribe and like this channel. Bye bye guys!